What's going on, investors? You know, there are a lot of people out there that want to be invested in the stock market. They want to have some of the best companies such as Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, so on and so forth, but they don't want to keep up with a lot of different stocks, or they feel like, more importantly, they may take a while to put some money in Microsoft, some money in Google, some money in Amazon, some money in Apple, and they kind of just get discouraged. And before they even get started, they just said, forget it. I'm not going to even bother. It's going to take forever, or I don't have the money to do it. And again, this channel is all about investing on a budget. And what I want to do in this video is show you how you can invest in these various companies with just one investment. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod. On this channel, we talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, we talk about exchange traded funds, also known as ETFs. And more importantly, we talk about showing you how to invest on a budget. You only have $5, $10, or $20 to invest, where you're in the right place, because your boy is going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, do me a favor. If this is your first time here, or you haven't made that leap yet, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Also, it's going to be a notification bell next to subscribe. Make sure you click that. Select all so you don't miss out on future videos, future content. Hit that thumbs up, hit that like button and help the video get pushed out. Also, share the channel out so we can get this information out there for people who want to learn about investing, want to learn about stocks, want to learn about crypto. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. Let's get down to business. Now, I am going to be sharing my screen and using Robinhood to look at this particular investment. And today we are going to be talking about the Vanguard Growth Fund, ticker symbol VUG. Most people know it as VUG. You really don't hear people say the Vanguard Growth Fund. So we're going to look at this here. We're going to look at VUG and see what it's been doing. And we're also going to purchase some. Now, it is currently trading at $332.48 per share. It is down 1.06%, 1.04% now, or roughly $3.50 a share. So again, I like to buy when it's down. It's not down a lot, but it's needless to say, it's up. It's not up $4, $5, $6 when I'm going in, and then tomorrow it could go down. So in the last month, VUG, and you're not going to hear me say Vanguard Growth, you're going to hear me use a symbol going forward. VUG is up 1.45% in the last week. In the last month, it is down 3.76%. Now, for me, this is a long-term hold, meaning I'm going to keep this ETF probably 5 years, 10 years, maybe even until retirement, or I may move this money, my holdings here, into Vanguard Total Stock Market Fund or the Vanguard S&P 500 Fund. But as of right now, this is a long-term investment. In the last 3 months, it is up 1.9%. So very little subtle movement here. It's not making astronomical gains, but I'm cool with that. As long as it's red when I'm ready to buy and green all other times, which is almost like a perfect world, I'm not too worried about it. Year to date, it is up 7.83%. This is more of a safe investment, and I kind of like it, but I'm going to show you something in a minute. It's looking safe now because the market has been kind of shaky, but this here right now, you're going to see in the last year, it's up 32.08% in the past year. So it's doing pretty good. And I kind of want to go out, since I'm thinking about this being a 5, 10, or retirement investment. In the last 5 years, it's up 102.56%. So definitely a possible long-term investment, but please keep in mind, these are past performances. It does not indicate future performances. So please keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and look down here. My current market value for VUG is $376.40. Today, I'm down $3.97 or 1.40%. And my total return is $48.81, up 14.9%. Up $48.81 up 14.9%. My average cost is $289 per share. I currently have 1.13 shares, and this is about 5.84% of my overall portfolio. So what is VUG? It's the growth ETF, but the fund tracks an index of large cap stocks in the U.S. holdings. They are selected and weighted based on growth factors. How well will they grow? How well are these companies growing over, not in the last month or in the last 3 months, but how well will they grow over time? And we're going to look down here and see the top 10 holdings of this ETF. And basically, ETF, all it is one fund that has several different stocks. As a matter of fact, going back here, let me go down a little bit. There are 202 different stocks, number of holdings in this particular fund. It's only going to show you the top 10. I mean, we'd be here forever. So the top 10 holdings, and this is roughly 56% of total assets, so more than half. You have your Microsoft, it's 12.97% of the fund. You have your Apple, 10.43%. NVIDIA, which is 8.89%. Amazon. So right there, my first four are top dogs. They're all going to be top dogs. You have Meta Platforms, or the parent company of Facebook and Instagram. You have Alphabet Class A and C, which is the parent company of Google, also the owners of YouTube. You have Eli Lilly, Tesla, and Visa. These make up the growth. And the only one that I know that's a little shaky right now is Tesla. Meta Platforms just kind of went down a little bit, but over the course of time, I think all of these are going to be fine. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go over here. We're going to purchase us some VUG. That's another reason I preach know the symbols, because when you get in certain parts, it's not going to say Vanguard Growth ETF. It's just going to say the symbol. So make sure it's selected to buy order dollars. We're going to go ahead and put us a cool $10 in here, because we are investing on a budget. I have $52 worth of buying power. Once I click over here, excuse me, it's telling me that I'm going to get 0.03007 of a share. So we're moving on up. And again, I do have 1.13 shares. We're going to go ahead and click review the order. It's going to give us a summary of what we're doing here. And we're going to click buy. So it should go to roughly 1.16 shares. And again, I'm dollar cost averaging. I'm invested on a budget. The beauty of Robinhood is you can buy what they call fractional shares. You don't have to buy a full share. So we're going to go ahead and scroll back down. And there it is, 1.162 of a share. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen, man. Again, just that easy to take $5 or $10 of your hard-earned money. Do your research first and find somewhere where you can put it and watch it grow to, say, a 50 or 60% over a course of a year, or 102% over the course of 5 years. And as you slowly putting $5, $10, or $20 in here, and 102% is doubling your money, who knows what you're going to have over the long haul. So again, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Or if you've been watching for a while and you haven't made that leap, definitely think about subscribing. Hit that notification bell, select all so you don't miss out on future content. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it with people that can learn from information like this. Hit that like button. Hit that thumbs up. It really helped the channel out, help the video get pushed out. And as always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, dropping more knowledge, but more importantly, showing you how to invest on a budget. Hope you're having a great day. And until the next time, we'll see you soon. Peace.